is this open farm, humanely and sustainably sourced, pasture-raised lamb recipe. And yes, they really like it. It's their breakfast and also go-to solution when, I actually keep this in the freezer. I don't have, I have this bag in the closet. I just wanted to show you the packaging and to read about it. Yeah, so I actually keep it in the freezer. I'm going to show you guys. I have a little scooper, and so this is the amount that they eat. Oh, Chuchu got very excited. But yeah, so this is their daily formula. So they eat it in the morning, and yeah, so do some good. At Open Farm, we believe that great nutrition is rooted in the integrity of our ingredients. Our mission is to create recipes that pet parents, us, love because they're made with premium nutritious whole foods and produced in a way that respects animal welfare and the environment. By working exclusively with farmers who share our commitment to exceptional quality and sustainable practices, we can make a better food for your pets, while also doing some good for your family farms, farm animals, and the environment. Yeah, so this is a grass-fed lamb raised at pasture without antibiotics, and locally sourced fruits and vegetables, natural superfood like coconut, oil, and pumpkin. It also high in protein, no poultry or potato, no grain, corn, wheat or soy, no artificial flavors or preservatives, no poultry or meat byproducts, no rendered poultry or meat meals. Yeah, so it's important to, it also says that this formula, Open Farm, uses third-party audited farms and premium nutrition, supporting family farms with humane and sustainable practices. So